What's up, guys? Just got this call. Rack B is at 0% liquid level. Whew. Boy, I'm out of shape. I need to see what's going on. Could just be a sensor, or it could actually be Rack B has completely lost its charge. I'll assume that's Rack A. This one has 3 fans off, so I'll assume this is Rack B. Not a condenser fan motor. All right, I don't know if y'all can see that. That definitely has the arrow. Where am I? Down here, 0%. So we are at 0%. Now we just gotta find out what happened. Just gonna do a quick leak check. Make sure we don't have a catastrophic leak somewhere, and after that we'll go back up to the roof and start diagnosing. Maybe we have the refrigerant stuck somewhere inside the system, but I just want to make sure that I can count out that there's a major leak somewhere. So that's why I'm doing a very quick leak check. That's all we're doing, just making sure we don't get like a huge hit. So once we do that, I'll go back up to the roof. So we didn't get any crazy hits inside. I'm just doing, like I said, a quick check. I mainly don't want there to be line rupture or something before I add any refrigerant. Now, like I said, I'm just going through a mediocre search. This is working. There we go. This little D-Tech hasn't failed me yet. I usually use it to find, just to make sure there's a presence of a leak before I bust out the H10. So take it away for a second. Back in here. So leak checking a rack, not necessarily fun, but we got to do it. Just want to make sure that if there is a leak, we can somehow identify it. This looks promising. It's a little oily. Nothing right there. So another thing I did verify, we do have a It is a solid side glass. Earlier it kind of went down and started rivering, but we do have enough refrigerant to at least feed the cases. So like I said, quick leak check, then we'll start adding gas. All right guys, we've already checked the entire outside rack. We already went through the cases inside. Anything that was medium temp, which is rack B right here. And we haven't gotten any hits on anything. So we're gonna go ahead and go inside and start charging it up. And we will possibly have to come back with the back rack PG an advanced leak check tomorrow. But for right now, like I said guys, this is just to make sure that we don't have, I hit it. This is just to make sure we don't have a major leak somewhere and we're gonna leak out all the refrigerant we're gonna add in by morning. So that's it. We're gonna go back inside and charge it up. So no major leaks. Got some help today. We're just charging the rack up through these cases right here. Open up the EPR to 100% and it's sucking the bottles in like it's cool. So we're gonna add 100 pounds and go check the receiver level, and then we'll do the just make sure that we're not overcharging it. So we're gonna have to come back with the back rack leak detector and tomorrow. So tonight we're just gonna kind of gas and go and see if we can find a leak tomorrow. We gotta go take off the override from the EPR. I think that's only like 6 jugs. I think it's 7 jugs. Go back up to the condenser. Make sure we have accurate liquid level. And we'll be back tomorrow with the big back rack. Let's just call it the big back rack. All right, guys. So we may have charged it a little bit too much. It's running about 55% right now. I'm gonna have to come back tomorrow anyways and do a leak check. So we got them up and running for tonight. It's the morning after. I drove by the shop, picked up the back rack, and there was already an alarm for the other rack at that store, and it was also for a low liquid level on rack A. So there's already 2 guys going out there. I spoke to one of them. They're gonna go ahead and just leak check the entire store, so there's no need for me to go back out there. So that'll be the end of the video, gents. I wish I would have got a little more footage, but took my job today, you know. So anyways, I just want to say thank you guys for watching. Please hit the like and the subscribe button if you enjoy the content. And I'm gonna go ahead and play a little video here that was sent to me. One of my coworkers messing with another coworker, so hopefully you guys enjoy that. So we'll see you on the next call, gents.
Yeah.
Still won't work? Turn it back on. It won't do anything?
Hold on. It takes a minute to load up.
Dude, it's literally doing this all on its own. It's just raising up.
It won't fucking let me down.
You gotta be kidding me. Turn it back on one more time. You have it off?
Oh, it's on, but now it's saying. be a hatch up there?
Yes,
Open? Okay,
hatch
I'll
up
go
there.
open it. Will you please?
Lock it. There you go. Now it's working. You good? You all right?
Yeah. It's just weird. I'm afraid to get off and
Nah,
this
you-
thing just raised all the way up. That is the weirdest thing I've ever seen in my life.
Yeah, that's pretty crazy.
That's for sure thought there was something down there and you were just fucking with it.
There's nothing down here.
I didn't know that. Sometimes those things have extra controls. I mean, maybe I hit something.
How you gonna get down?
What are you doing to me? This is gonna be a story, Mike.
Careful.
This is gonna be a story. Alright, just barely dripping.
You alright?
Yeah, fuck.
Seriously, you alright?
Yeah.